Mastering compound sentences. Dodge those common errors. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're diving into the world of compound sentences and how to punctuate them correctly. We'll learn about common errors people make while punctuating compound sentences and, most importantly, how to avoid them. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the common errors, let's first understand what compound sentences are. A compound sentence is a sentence that has at least two independent clauses. These clauses are usually connected by conjunctions like and, or, but. Here's an example. John likes playing football, and Mary enjoys reading books. Now that we know what a compound sentence is, let's look at some common errors and how to correct them. The first common error is forgetting to use a comma before the coordinating conjunction. Remember, when you connect two independent clauses with a coordinating conjunction, you need to use a comma before the conjunction. Incorrect. John likes playing football and Mary enjoys reading books. Correct. John likes playing football, and Mary enjoys reading books. The second common error is a comma splice. This occurs when you use only a comma to connect two independent clauses. Incorrect. John likes playing football. Mary enjoys reading books. Correct. John likes playing football, and Mary enjoys reading books. The third common error is run-on sentences. This happens when you don't use any punctuation to separate the independent clauses. Incorrect. John likes playing football. Mary enjoys reading books. Correct. John likes playing football, and Mary enjoys reading books. The fourth common error is the incorrect usage of conjunctions. Make sure you're using the right conjunction that correctly connects the meaning of your independent clauses. Incorrect. John likes playing football, or Mary enjoys reading books. Correct. John likes playing football, and Mary enjoys reading books. And that's it for today's lesson. Remember, practice is key. The more you use compound sentences, the better you'll get at avoiding these common errors. We hope this video has been helpful, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Keep practicing, and happy learning!